Hello everyone. So we'll see one small problem on induction motor. So question is, a 10-pole induction motor is supplied by 6-pole alternator which is driven at 1200 rpm. If the motor runs with a slip of 3%, what is its speed? So in this question they have asked to find the speed, that is n. Okay, so the given data is slip, that is 3%, and number of poles is given. So you have to see here, you need to find with respect to motor, and you need to very careful with respect to the alternator. Okay, so here there are 2 poles, like 10 pole for the induction motor and 6 pole for the alternator. Okay, so the speed is given, it's with respect to the alternator, but you need to find the speed with respect to the motor. Okay, so to find the speed of the motor, you have the formula like n is equal to ns into 1 minus s. But we don't know the ns. Ns is nothing but your synchronous speed. Okay, s is given, but you don't know the synchronous speed. So to find the synchronous speed, we have the formula like 120 f by p. But they have not given the frequency here. Okay, so to find the frequency, we have the formula like, you can use the same formula, and instead of ns you can use n is equal to 120 f by p. Okay, because n is given, the alternator speed is given, so f is equal to pn divided by 120. You have to simplify that. Okay, so when you simplify, the p value is given, that is 6. So I said you have to be careful about the number of poles of motor and number of poles of the alternator. So here the number of pole is 6 because we are dealing with respect to the alternators. So 6 into the speed is 1200 divided by 120. So what will be the frequency when you calculate this? The frequency will be 60 Hertz. Okay, so now the induction motor poles is 10 and slip is 0.03. Okay, so now you can find the synchronous speed. ns is equal to 120 f by p. Okay, so you know the frequency now, so you know the p value. So find the ns, that is synchronous speed, that is how much? 720 rpm. Okay, yeah. Now using this, you can easily find the speed. n is equal to ns into the bracket 1 minus s. So ns you found, that is 720, slip value is 0.03. So the speed will be 698.4 rpm. Okay, and make sure that the frequency formula f is equal to pn by 120. Okay, you have to use that formula to find the frequency for the alternators. Okay, and to find the frequency for the induction motor, you have this ns is equal to 120 f by p. Fine, so make sure you should be careful while solving this kind of problems when they are given with respect to motor, when they are given with respect to the alternator. Okay, thank you.